How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make AI generated dance videos using the tool called Gen 1 Runway. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. You guys just basically have to go to their homepage, and there should be some on-screen instructions on how you get to use the app to create those AI videos, well, AI dance videos. I mean, you can even see it here on the splash page. There's a person dancing, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And I should mention that this method using Gen 1 applies to both if you're using it on desktop or on iOS or on Android. They all work just the same. Now, the way it works is that the tool actually layers over some art or images over motion done in a video. So there are actually two ways to do this. You could either create one from scratch using Gen 1's, or I should say Runway's library or database full of motions, poses, and actions, dances, and whatnot, and layer over an image for it and do some color grading, filters, and whatnot to make it seem real. Now, that one is the hard way. Now, the easier way is to actually upload a video yourself of anything. It could be you dancing or it could be someone else dancing, and we're going to upload the file to the tool Gen 1, and there we'll get a bunch of different options on how we could actually utilize the tool to create an AI dance video. So, uh, and to show you guys what I mean, here's an example. So this one is real. This dude is dancing, and what the app does is it layers over uh this guy or the subject and filters it, or rather I want to say convert, but I don't think that's the right word for this, but I guess turns them into this demon guy and it's based on this image right here. So you basically just mix it two. So the source video, or rather the base is what they call it, and then you add an image, and this is the result. So that one is just an example, and this one is the easy way. You can even see here that there's a slider that you can have some fun with of how exactly this works. So storyboard, so this is the original image, bunch of books lined up, but with the power of AI, you're able to turn it into a scenic shot of skyscrapers, and yeah, it's just pretty cool. So that's just one of the things you can do. You can do with this tool. Now, what we're going to do, as as said so in the title of the video, is we're going to learn how to use this app to create AI dance videos. And yeah, with all that said, let's begin. So the method I'll be talking about first is the hard way, or I should say the long method, where we're going to be creating a video from scratch and using Gen 1 or Runway's database. So step one is you want to go to their homepage, like where I am right now, and you want to install Runway ML. So before you begin, you want to make sure that you have Runway ML installed in your computer, and you can download it here. It's pretty straightforward. Just basically sign up, and there should be some on-screen instructions of what you need to do to install the app to your PC. Now, once you guys are done with that, what you want to do is you want to open the app and you want to navigate to the Models tab, right? So this would normally be found on the left-hand side of the window, and here you'll get a bunch of different options to choose from. And what you want to look for is Gen 1 Style GAN. So that's Style GAN. So what this will do is it'll bring up a list of the available models derived or coming from Gen 1's database. So you get to choose if you wanted to let's say do a hip hop dance video, then obviously you get a person wearing with a hip hop outfit, like the cap, the hoodie, the loose pants, the shoes, whatever. And from there on out, you want to go to the what do you call it? Oh yeah, the search bar on the models tab and then style again. So basically just go to models and then style again and search for a model that you want to choose. So let's say in this instance we want to get like a hip hop dude, and yeah, pretty straightforward. The app will uh bring up a bunch of different models for you to choose, to use rather. Now, once you've selected your model, um, simply click on Create Model, and here's where you're able to actually generate dance poses for the AI, or rather the model. So first, find a once you've selected your model, there should be an option on the right side of the window where you're able to find the dataset of dance poses or use pre-existing ones for your video. So make sure that the dataset includes a variety of dance movements to enhance the diversity of your generated dance video. So pretty simple, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use deep learning to train the model to or the StyleGAN model with your dance pose dataset. So you can do this by clicking on train, that should be on the lower right side of the window. And this process may actually take some time depending on the size of your dataset as well as the size of your model. So we're basically letting the AI learn the dance moves and create a more fluid motion before we're able to create the video and export it, right? So that out of the way, let's talk about generating dance frames. So once the training of your StyleGAN model is complete, it's ready to actually from, or rather, you're ready to switch over to the Generate tab in Runway ML. So once your model has learned all of the dance moves, what you want to do is load your trained StyleGAN model by selecting it from the drop-down menu. And here you can input a random seed or specify a particular seed to control the generated dance poses. So it can be totally randomized, or you can have it in a sequence, or oh yeah, that's what I said, in a sequence. And after you've done that, you can do some fine tuning, like adjusting the style or the other parameters to fine tune the generated dance frames. And then once you've done all of that, simply click on generate, and you're able to now create the video. So you want to export the generated dance frames as image files, right? So when you do, you want to use video editing software like Adobe, Premiere, or Final Cut Pro, or a free one like DaVinci Resolve, or what do you call it? Wondershare, whatever. So you want to import the AI pictures there, and you're able to actually do some editing. So you can set the desired frame rate with video to control the speed or the animation. But yeah, it's pretty simple because he's already dancing, so you don't need to do much on Photoshop. And yeah, that'd be it. Now, once you're done with that, simply export and you're done. You're ready to upload the thing to YouTube or anywhere you want, like a different social platform. But yeah, congratulations, you've successfully made your AI generated dance video. So if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So yeah, with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.